Welcome back, everyone. This week we're going to talk about how I made my DIY slide-out bed. I have to be very careful not to rip off anybody's trademark or anything. This is my design using some aluminum and some parts I found online. I have no connection to any of these vendors or anything else, so here's my schematic that I designed myself, and that's nothing real fancy, just some measurements of how I'm going to do it. I went to Fast Metals, again, no connection with them. Ended up about $250 with a coupon that I had, which was cool. I got these Vivor slide outs, and then everything came in the mail, and I kind of just laid it out on the driveway and figured it out. And then I started doing some alignment. Check it out.
So first thing I'm going to do is take out these factory tie down points. They're in the way. They don't clear the setup I'm trying to use here for the drawer. Those drawers are actually going to be up a little bit, so they're going to be right in the way. So they got to go. So we'll get them out of the way. I think it's T45, and we'll just get those out of the way, and then we'll move on to the next piece. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I stuck this 3/8 piece in here as sort of a spacer on the bottom to give me 3/8 inch, and then I'm just marking it with a silver marker, and then I'm going to get nutserts, double check and make sure there's nothing behind there. I'm going to do a couple nutserts and get it in there and screw it into the side of the bed. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So basically just going to have this 3/8 aluminum that's going to end up being the piece out here that I actually connect to, but right now I'm just using it as a spacer. So that's the theory. We'll see if that changes. So I noticed this is too long. This is what actually releases the drawer to pull out, but it's too long. It won't fit in the bed, so I need to cut it off. So I'm just going to cut it off with a grinder and just grind that off, and hopefully it's flush and fits. And then I'm going to try to put like a string or something on there just so I can actuate it, so it'll still work. Okay, so here's the theory. We're going to have, these are going to be the side rails. Nothing's leveled up right now or anything. It's just kind of laying in there for measuring. These are going to be places where we actually bolt the rail out here too, and then up there it's going to be bolted into the actual truck. So that's sort of a place that we're going to bolt it, and we're going to level that up and make that work out. It'll also act as a little bit of a spacer so that it won't go into the tailgate, and right now it's kind of clearing. So that's what I'm trying to maximize the height the best I can and get these measurements. So take this out of here for right now, because I'm just doing the length and width and mocking it up and making sure that I have the right wood and everything. And then there'll be cross pieces holding it all together. Those cross pieces are right down there, and then there'll be a sheet of plywood in there, and so the whole thing will slide out. I cut this off over here, and I'm going to put a string or something on that. Maybe some kind of lever that can fit in there and that we can pull up on or something. I haven't figured that out yet, but I'll figure it out.
Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And next week, we're going to be talking about how we cut, fab, drill, and install this thing in the bed of the truck. Thanks for watching. See you on the trails.